Now, influencer marketing is one of the fastest marketing techniques to grow a customer base for any business. More and more businesses are opting for influencer marketing as their primary method of promotion. Influencers are the people with a huge following on social media sites. They're famous on social media and can thus use this fame to promote your business. It is the same way as you're vouching for a film to your friends and your recommendations make them more likely to watch it. When someone with a big fan following endorses your product, people get attracted and you get more and more customers. Thus, we can clearly say that influencer marketing will help you raise brand awareness, get more website traffic, social media followers, and grow your business. The influencers promote your brand on the channels and drive users in the way you want, which then turns into paying customers. If you are an influencer, you get paid for these promotions. It's like advertising, but with more personalized touch and of course with a better pay. Here, everyone gets the benefit. At Top Influencers, we connect brands to influencers and ensuring that the entire process is smooth and hassle-free. We help brands to grow and get influencers their desired recognition and pay. To find out how to boost your profits and gain customers with influencer marketing, do visit the website topinfluencers.in.